So today we're exploring art, and I drew some pictures with some chalk, and we can practice our plies just like we do in our pre-dance class. And we have our tendus, and we can do our dégagés. And I want to see what you guys create. I wanted to show you something that we were a little more familiar with first to get us rolling here. So I have a heart and some diamonds, and then we move to the rainbow. So we can practice our ronde-jambs going from the pot of gold to the cloud, or we can go from the cloud to the pot of gold. And we can practice both sides, obviously. Next up, we have some lily pads and water. And we can practice our temps levés and different types of jumps. So you can totally do this on one foot too. And then we can practice our little grand jetés and jump from lily pad to lily pad. There you go.